Hi everyone, this is Nisa from Deadbolt Bully Camp. Today I will be doing a puppy update and letting y'all know what is available. As y'all know, King Zeus and Jazz had a litter of 10 puppies, 5 girls, 5 boys. As of now, I have 7 puppies available, 3 boys and 4 girls. Today the puppies turn 8 weeks old, and I will be showing them individually as I give them their second set of vaccines. I gave them their first set of vaccines at 6 weeks old, and so I will also be giving them one today. Today is their first time outside. As you can see, they're looking around, they're calm, they don't know what to think, they're in a different environment. I don't let my puppies outside until they at least have their first vaccine, but they're outside today. Basically, I'm letting them outside today because their ears are almost healed. So yeah, so with that said, let's get started. Today I'm gonna start with, like I said, I'm gonna start with the ones that are already spoken for. This pretty golden fawn right here, this girl, she's spoken for. This is Ruby. As you can see, she has a nice top line, full tail, a nice headpiece, pretty blue eyes, nice clean feet, and a clean back. This girl will be going to Virginia. Shout out to James. James also purchased a puppy off my last litter, which was Debo, and he's also going to get Joker. Joker has finally found his forever home, so we gave to that. So let me give her vaccine. I have already prepared them so it can go a little quicker. Make sure you giving her vaccine. And just like that, that's it. On to the next. Next up, we have this boy Rocky. He is spoken for. Rocky is a fawn. As you see, he got the white stripe down the head, face, white paws. This boy has a nice top line, full tail, clean feet, clean bite, nice headpiece. And this boy is going to South Carolina. Shout out to Sharif. Sharif purchased a puppy from a litter I had a year ago. The sister of Sage. And yeah, so shout out to Sharif for coming back around the second time with Deadbolt Bully Camp. So let's give this boy his shot. This is Rocky. Okay, next up we have Cash. Cash got a clean back, stripe down his face. Has a nice top line, full tail, clean feet, nice headpiece. This is the biggest boy, not the tallest, but the biggest boy in the litter. This boy right here, Cash. Cash will be staying here in Georgia Shout out to Vincent. This is your boy Cash. He's looking amazing. So let's get Cash his shot. Hold on, I forgot to put this in. Back on. Alright. Hold on, big boy. Okay. A cashier shot. This big boy right here. On to the next. Next up, we have this blue sable fawn. She's the smallest in the litter. This is Kiwi. Kiwi has a full bite, clean feet, nice top line, full tail, stripe down her nose. She has this little white collar. She has white from her chest all the way to her underbelly. White on each paws, plus a little white socks and a little white tip on her tail. Kiwi is available. All puppies will come with ABKC paper shop records. And Kiwi is looking for her forever home. Anybody interested in Kiwi, hit me up at 229-456-4444. And with that said, let's get this little spunky girl her shot. And this is Kiwi. Next up is Pumpkin. Pumpkin is this beautiful golden fawn color. She has a pretty golden fawn color. As you can see, she has a nice top line, full tail. She has the pretty blue eyes, clean bite, clean feet. And this is Pumpkin. Anybody interested in Pumpkin, hit me up. Show them pretty eyes, Pumpkin. So let's give Pumpkin her shot. Hold on, Mama. Okay. And that's Pumpkin. On to the next. Next up, we have Mahogany. Mahogany is a blue fawn sable. As you see, she got the black mask, white on her chest, a white paw. She has a clean top line, full tail. This girl is very smart to be 8 weeks old. She's very observant, and she's going to be an amazing female. So anybody interested in Mahogany, hit me up. These puppies are available. So let's give Mahogany her shot. Alrighty. And this is Mahogany. And on to the next. All right, go. Next up, we have Angel. Now, if anybody, Angel hits different. If anybody is interested in a female, she's the only one out there like this. Anybody interested in a female or a bully that has the basketball head, the round head, this is her. This is her. As you can see, she has a nice top line, full tail. Let's see. She has a short muzzle. All puppies have short muzzles. She has a clean bite, clean feet. This girl has the best rear. If I had to keep a female, Angel would be her. Like I said, anybody interested in any other puppies, hit me up at 229-456-4444. And this is Angel. So let me give her her shot. Okay, Angel. All right, girl. And like I said, these puppies are available. Okay, next up we have Prince. Prince is the smallest male. As you see, he has a nice top line, full tail. This is a blue fawn. He has some pretty blue eyes. He has a clean back, clean feet. Nice. If you're interested in this boy Prince, hit me up at 229-456-4444. This boy's gonna look amazing. I call him Prince because he looked like his dad, King Zeus. So let's give Prince his shot. Hold on a little bit. Prince his shot. And on to the next. Alright, next up we have Cairo. Cairo is a blue fawn. Has a white chest. Nice top line Cairo. It's the tallest male in the litter. He has clean feet. Has pretty blue eyes. Clean bite. This boy puts me in the mind of his dad, also King Zeus. Like I said, y'all, trust the process. I'm gonna do a video, a transformation video of King Zeus. So like I say, trust the process. And so, what's up, pretty boy? All puppies have great temperaments, great personalities. None of them is shy. I try to make sure no puppies be shy. That's why I interact with them as much as I can. Come here, man. So let's give Cairo his shot. Okay, and just like that. There's Cairo. So anyone interested in Cairo, hit me up. 229-456-4444. These puppies will be amazing. On to the next. Last but not the least, we have Big Champ right here. Champ is going to be about the height of his daddy, and he's going to be a stocky dog. This boy has a nice headpiece, has blue eyes, clean bite, short muzzle, nice top line, full tail. This boy has chest on him too, clean feet. Great personality. I highly recommend this boy to any family that have kids. I highly recommend this boy. He has a sweet personality. Your kids will love him. So let's give this boy his shot. Like the big man. Let's get this boy, big boy. If I had to keep a male, it definitely will be this big boy Champ. I like a medium size and stocky, like Zeus. Big Champ. And like I said, if anyone that's interested in any of the puppies, hit me up at 229-456-4444. They will see come with crop ears, ABKC paperwork, and shot records. They are 8 weeks old today, and they are available. They're looking for their forever home, and I hope to hear from someone or y'all soon. And with that said, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Time to go to sleep. Sleepy time. Time to take a nap. You done been outside playing, running around. Now it's time to take it down. Sleepy time. Time to go to sleep.